to all of your properties. So take a look at the very first one you did. When adding logs, hello, when adding logs, what do we actually do? Multiply the numbers. When multiplying like bases as exponents, we add the exponents, right? Here, when adding logs, and by logs, I mean a log to another log to another log, and they all have the same base, then you can actually just put them together and multiply the base. The numbers. Not the base, the numbers. Okay? Next thing you learned. When we are dividing like bases, we subtract the exponents, correct? So here you have logs, and if you are subtracting logs, then you can take the numbers and divide them, because logs are the inverse of an exponent. And then I think the last thing you saw is if there is an exponent out, or if there's a scalar out in front, you can slide it over. All these properties get us to pretty much one place. We want to be where we can have a log equal to a log. Why do you think we want a log equal to a log? We can drop the logs just like we do exponents. When we have two bases and we have them equal to each other, then we can drop the bases and set the exponents equal to each other. So let's see, let's write down a few things that we've learned. We learned that log A plus log B could also be condensed to log A times B. Notice I went from writing the word log multiple times to just writing it one time. We learned that log A minus log B could also be condensed to log A over B. Be very careful with this one. It's not unusual for this to become log A over log B. Nope, you only write the word log one time. We learned that 2 log A can be written as log A squared, and vice versa. The ones on the left are an expanded form. The ones on the right are condensed. In most cases, we will be condensing them because we want to be able to drop the logs and solve. Logs are used a lot with money. For example, you will see the natural log a lot. This one is ln and whatever the value is, whatever the number is. The base of ln, log e, instead of writing log e over and over and over again, log base e, they don't. It has its own special. ln is the natural log. E is simply a number like pi. And you'll learn more about that next year. Okay? If there is no base for log, the base is, so in other words, log with no base actually has a base of 10. Always, always, always. So there's an introduction to some of the properties. So let's go look and see what we can do here. Here, I've got a log base 4, and I can expand this to be a log base 4, 5, plus log base 4 of x, plus log base 4 of y. So expanding means I got to write log a whole bunch of times. Condensing means I take it down to one time. Next one. This one, if I want to expand it, I have ln 4 plus ln w minus ln 7. Do I need parentheses with this? If you were to take this and put it back together, would it look just like that? Is there anything else that can be done? There's one thing. Big one for parentheses is when you have that minus sign and you have multiple things afterwards. One more thing that can be done. One more thing to expand it. Okay, I could do that. This is ln 2 squared. So you could write that as ln 2 plus ln 2, or you could write 2 ln 2. So if it's fully expanded, your numbers will all be prime. Why? If I had minus ln and had something else and it was supposed to be in the division as well, then yes, it would need parentheses. Okay, so now we're going to go the other direction. And this is the one we'll do most often. So this one, I could do, I'm going to write it one time now. X times x gives me x squared. Do I take the 2 out in front? That would be expanding. I don't want to expand. I want it condensed. I want you to think about one of the reasons we condense is so that we can get rid of the logs, which means I need to have log something equals log something. So nothing in front of my logs, okay? So then we look at this one right here. What would you do first? Yeah, we got to bring that over. So we got ln 25 minus ln 4, and then what? Yep. Be real careful here. Remember, it's ln 25 divided by 4, not ln 25 divided by ln 4. We okay with that? Got the idea?